Okay, we're going to try the UMX again, Ultrix. We bring out the UMX Turbo Timber, but it's way too windy. It's like 15-mile-an-hour winds. This one here seems to handle the wind pretty good. Oop, here we go. Ooh, yeah, the wind's lifting it. It's easier to fly in the wind than the timbers. They're light. See how windy. Well, at least I have something I can fly in high winds. It's jumpy in the wind, but it flies. Oh, the wind's picking her up. Ooh, it's jumpy. Definitely flies in high wind, that's for sure. Ooh, the wind's really pushing it. It's I like it though. Something to fly in high winds. Whoa, whoa, the wind's really pushing. It is like a standstill right there. It's like a wind tunnel over here. This thing is great in the wind. Not too hard to handle. A little choppy though. Time for a landing. Ooh. Not bad, not bad. It's the only plane in my fleet that can handle 15-mile-an-hour winds with some nice gusts, maybe 20. Pretty good. Have a nice day. See you on the next flight.